eller skål, like they say in Norway. I just ordered my first appointment with a midwife, and God, I hate phone calls. I have like major phone anxiety, or something like that. I don't know if I can call it anxiety, but it stresses me out to take important phone calls. But anyways, that will be very exciting. I will be in week, I think 17 by then, and it's the first like actual checkup apart from my at-home Doppler action. Well, I was trying to get an appointment during a time when Cody's awake, which I couldn't do because of the availability, so it's gonna suck. So either he has to get up at 4 a.m. in the morning to be on video chat with me, but in any case, I'll bring the camera and record everything for him. I know like everybody's in the same position right now with Corona and everything, that they can't really go to these appointments together most places, so it's not really that unique that he can't come. It's obviously from different reasons too, so it kind of blows when it's your first kid. You kind of want him to be there, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, still have a couple of other phone calls and things to get settled, but you know what? I am just gonna start to edit and get my anxiety level down. I can't do more than one phone call in like less than 10 minutes. I can't do that. Oh wow. Alright. Well, gotta do something when I'm hanging out at home waiting for my parents. So it's lasagna for dinner. Package kind, but that's the one they like, so dinner is served.